Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I'm outside the Jalsa Salana kitchen. I'm going to pop inside and see if someone can teach me how to make the dal which is served during Jalsa Salana.
Yeah, okay. Go and get a grab of the dal and I'll explain it to you.
Okay.
Let's go across over there.
Here in the Langar kitchen at the Jalsa Salana site, it's very warm indeed, but at the same time there's beautiful aromas going around of aloo gosht and dal. Today I'm going to be taught how to make the famous dal which thousands enjoy every single year. And what better man to teach me than Rafi Saab here, who has been in the Langar Khana for over 32 years?
Around 30 years, yeah.
Around 30 years, mashallah. Rafi Saab, tell us, what's so special about the dal that everyone loves and they come back for more and more?
The ingredients are simple, the dal is simple, but it's the Masjid Maud's langar which makes this dal special.
And how many pots have you prepared today of dal?
Today we've prepared 112 pots of dal.
Wow, that's a huge amount. Okay, so teach me how to make dal.
Before we do anything, we've got to go back onto the cookers, put a deshka on, a pot, fill it with water, and I'll tell you how much water we fill, and then we'll go from there.
Let's
okay?
do this. Let's go.
Right, Fateh, the pots are here now, and let's start cooking, yeah?
Yes.
Cooking, that's what we're going to do. This is the pot you're going to be cooking in.
Fresh
this is an
new
empty,
pot.
fresh. So we're going to make a pot of dal. Yep. And to start off, what you're going to do is, there's the water. So just grab that pipe.
Yep.
Grab hold of that pipe.
Right.
Right. And just start filling it. That's
Nice.
it. Good man.
So how much am I?
I will tell you. Basically what you're going to do is make sure you see these little pot rivets.
Yeah.
Just slightly underneath that. Now that you fill the water,
Yeah.
let's light it up then. There's the...
And how do I turn the gas?
Right. All you do is click that little flame and just turn it slightly first. Not fully, slowly. No. That's it. You've done it.
Perfect.
Okay? So we put it on full heat.
Okay.
Okay? And let it start boiling.
Right. Okay. Perfect.
The dal is pre-mixed. Before Jalsa we come here. We do a lot of preparation work.
Right.
We mix the masalas.
Okay.
Because you just possibly cannot do it on the day.
Right.
So you got to prepare the ingredients, the masalas. There's a bag of pre-prepared masalas.
Okay, so what's going into this masala?
Okay.
There we go.
So basically you can see all it has got is salt, red chilies, haldi.
Yep. Turmeric, that is, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Turmeric, ginger powder, garlic powder, and jeera powder.
Yep.
And the dals are obviously mixed before as well.
Okay.
And we have got 4 different dals.
Right.
I'll
so
show you.
Which
Look.
dals do we have?
The main dal is this black one, which is called the urad split.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Black urad split.
Right.
Then we got some chana dal.
Yep.
Yeah. Then we got these red lentils washed.
Right.
And then we got brown masoor.
Wow.
And off we go. Pick this dal up and take it to the pot where we had.
Take the dal out.
Yeah, very carefully. Put one hand underneath.
Right. So one hand underneath there. A bit all over the place.
Don't worry, because you're not used to.
Yeah.
But you're learning.
Got my hand stuck in there. Okay.
Yeah, lift it now. Lift it. That's the masala.
Okay, so add
And
this
just
masala.
add the masala. Just be careful where we've split it. Just keep it on top.
And how long are we going to stir this for?
Initially, you don't have, just stir it for about 2 minutes or less than that, for a minute, until all the masalas have just dissolved in the water
Right.
with the dal, and then it's just going to start cooking. Yeah. So just now that you've done that,
Yeah.
let it come to a boil,
Okay.
and every now and then just come and make sure you stir it to make sure the dal is not sticking at the bottom. Yeah.
Okay.
So you can let it go. You leave it.
All right, so I've been with this dal for over an hour. I've been mixing it as well, and I've been told by the chefs around here that it looks about ready. So I'm going to call over Rafi Shah Sahab and ask him the next process. How is it looking?
Oh, that looks ready. Let me check just in case. Yeah, well done.
Yeah?
Well, you've done a good job there, my son.
next step.
Right, so what we do is turn the gas off now.
Okay.
Yeah, and give it a last stir.
Okay, a last stir.
Okay, put that out of the way, somewhere there.
We're adding the garnish.
Yeah. So what you do is,
Yeah.
first this is boiling oil.
Right.
So take that
Okay.
and just put a whole full of that
That's it.
on that, yeah?
There we go. Put that in there.
Yeah, that's it. And that should be enough. So just stick that, put that in there. Don't over, yeah. And we'll spread it in a minute.
The onions in there.
Yeah. So that yeah. And then let it go.
Yep.
And then there's a bucket of coriander and fresh green chilies. Yeah.
Coriander
Yeah.
and
First,
fresh
yeah.
chili.
Put your hand in there. Just grab as much. Yeah.
Double hands.
Yeah. That's it. Just spread it over there. Get some more. Once you've done that, and take a handful of chilies, yeah, and stick them in there. Well done. That's your dal ready.
Is that ready?
Yeah, your dal is ready.
Nice.
Let's see how you've done.
Yeah.
Let's check it. Yeah, let's get a plate.
Let's get a plate.
Let me see.
Let me serve you. How it's very simple, and you know I thought it would be much of a complex.
No, that's how it is. Let me test it.
How is it?
Well done. I think next year you'll be working here with me, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yeah, you've done a
Yeah,
grand
yeah.
job. Well done. Good job. That's all done. That's how you say it's simple. But it does take some time.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, simplicity is what it's all about.